All right, so we're going to have our little exit ticket here, and I want to have just a discussion about the different kinds of cross sections we can make by slicing a cube different ways. I want to talk about all the different two-dimensional figures that we can make here. So you should have this open, right? And we're all going to look at, actually, I want to start with Alyssa. And Alyssa, I want to see what kind of shape you can make. So you can make any shape you want.
Okay.
By slicing this cube. So let's see what she makes. Everyone should be watching Alyssa's screen.
And I'm not done yet.
Okay. When you're done, just hit the view from section so we can see the shape it makes. Great. So this is obviously a triangle. How could we describe this triangle further? Does anyone know? And Alyssa, I think you are on mute.
I think it's an equilateral.
There we go. It is an equilateral. Very good. So I'll type that in there for everyone so we can make an equilateral triangle. Very good. Kevin, can you make a different triangle? You're already ahead of the game. Can you make a different triangle than what Alyssa made? Remember,
Sure.
think back to the number of sides we cut through makes that.
There you go.
Of things. Okay, so how would you describe this triangle? It's not equilateral.
Scalene.
Where the two sides are even.
Not scalene. Scalene means all the sides are different. Nathan's correct. Two sides are the same. So this is actually isosceles.
Isosceles.
That's
Right? So we made an isosceles triangle. However, Nathan, do you think you can make a scalene?
I don't think so, but I will try.
All right, you go ahead and try. Everyone should be looking at Nathan's screen now.
Oh, sorry. Oh gosh.
Making the shape spin. It's very fun.
Let's rotate that a little bit.
Okay, so I would start off, Nathan, if you're having trouble, I would just make an equilateral triangle, just like Alyssa did to start off with, and then just kind of move those two corners.
Oh,
so
wait
you can make a scalene. So that would make your equilateral there, right? Now move those along your edges so that it's still only cutting through three sides. There you go. And now move another one, just a little bit, maybe a different distance. Okay, and now hit view from section so we can see the scalene triangle. There we go.
Scalene.
Very nice. Very nice scalene triangle. Alright, so we've made all of our different triangles that we can. We can obviously make a square, right? Because it's a cube. Okay. Let's take it one step further. Does anyone think that they can make a pentagon?
Ooh.
A pentagon has how many sides?
5.
5.
Very good. Now, Kevin, if I want to make it have 5 sides, how many sides of this cube would I have to cut through?
5.
5. Very good. So, does anyone think, I'm watching all your screens. Oh, everyone look at Alyssa's screen. She just cut through 5 sides. If she clicks view from section, we can see that pentagon. It's not a regular pentagon, but...
She didn't say regular.
I did not say regular. Nope. That's very good. So we know we can make, I'll type in here, cube, pentagon. All right. One step further. Does anyone think they can make a hexagon?
I think it's possible, but I don't think I can do it.
I think you can do it, Nathan.
Wait, I think I already did it.
Hit view from section. Let's count those sides.
That's definitely...
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that's a hexagon. I would take this bottom left dot right here and I would drag it up to the edge a little bit. That'll make you have a nicer hex. There you go. Can you see those sides better now? Very nice.
Pretty hexagon.
Very nice. So we can make a hexagon. A lot of different shapes. Very good. All right. So you guys actually have no homework tonight. You did a wonderful job with our little exit ticket there. I know we all work together. Normally you all work individually, but I wanted to have a little discussion on the way out. And if we just look at the last slide here real quick, remember you do have a test on Friday. It's on this whole chapter, so including the stuff we just learned. You're going to have between 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. to take your test. You only have 1 hour, and it is timed as soon as you start. That hour starts. You are allowed to use your notes. This is included. And I did email a practice test to you and also your parents, so you can get started looking at that.
Do you have calculators?
Yep, calculators are allowed. Although you might not need one for this test, since it is mostly on geometry. Okay. And if anyone wanted to see where I got the images from, it's from there. Obviously, this was chapter 7 of your textbook that you have. And that's it. Any questions before we end this session?
I don't think so.
No? All right. Well, it was great seeing you all. Everyone, have a wonderful rest of your night.
Hey, Miss Barnes.
Yes?
Can you tell us one of your great math riddles before we go?
Yes. What did 0 say to 8?
I don't get it.
Nice belt.